All right, so I just stumbled upon a easy way to find out if your students are accessing the course and also contact the ones that aren't. So if you are inside It's Learning in your particular course, if you will click on More and then click on Participants, it lists every student in that course and when they last visited It's Learning. So what I did today, so when you're in It's Learning, just to repeat, you will see all of your students in the course and the last time they visited. So if it's today, then they're on the right track. They're doing what they're supposed to do. However, if it's 319, that was last week, last Thursday. So it might need to warrant contacting them and just kind of reminding them. So I just have been scrolling through today and finding any of those outliers. So all of these say 323, so that's good. We've got another 319 here, so forth and so on. So once I get through my list and I've selected all the kiddos that I want to contact, for instance, this one who is 317, this girl who is February 26th definitely needs a contact. Then I would come back up here to the top and I would press send message, and it's going to 4 users in the course. I'd say okay, and then I would write them a message. So hello student, I noticed you haven't logged into It's Learning in quite some time. Please make sure you are logging in, excuse my spelling, daily and doing your schoolwork. Let me know if you have any questions. Thank you, Miss Shorter. All right, and so I am going to press send, and that will send an individual message to each of those recipients. And you can really do this every single day. It's that simple. So it's just going through, looking at their last visit, and clicking on their name, and then sending a mass email out to everyone, but it does go to them individually. I hope this helps.